Welcome to the new era of automotive care. As electric vehicles take over the roads, the way we maintain our cars is undergoing a radical transformation. Professional EE servicing isn't just about changing tires. It's about managing high-voltage systems with precision and specialized expertise. Unlike traditional workshops, these centers are high-tech hubs. Technicians use insulated tools designed specifically for the safety requirements of large battery arrays. Think about the complexity of a gas engine, thousands of moving parts, all requiring lubrication and cooling. In an EV, that complexity is replaced by software and electricity. Maintenance schedules are significantly lighter. No oil changes, no spark plugs, and no exhaust systems to fail. The focus shifts to thermal management and electronics. Now, let's talk numbers. While the initial purchase price of an AV might be higher, the long-term maintenance costs tell a very different story. On average, EV owners spend about 50% less on scheduled maintenance over the life of the vehicle compared to internal combustion owners. The battery is the heart of the cost equation. Modern battery packs are designed to last hundreds of thousands of miles, far exceeding early expectations. And as manufacturing scales up, the cost of replacement units is plummeting, ensuring that even older EVs remain viable and valuable for years. Insurance and resale value are also evolving. Insurers are now offering competitive rates as data prove EVs are safer and require fewer repairs after minor incidents. Looking ahead, the future of mobility is defined by connectivity. Imagine your car diagnosing its own issues before you even notice them. Over-the-air updates mean your car can receive performance boosts and new features wirelessly while it sits in your driveway overnight. In the labs, we are already seeing the next leap: solid-state batteries. These promise faster charging, longer range, and even greater durability. Autonomous diagnostic systems will soon allow vehicles to schedule their own service appointments, choosing the most efficient time for the owner. Servicing an electric car isn't complicated. It's smarter, cleaner, and often cheaper than maintaining a gas car. By following these steps, you'll extend your EV's life, save money, and drive with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe and share it with other EE owners. Together, we're building the future of mobility.